right, eighth graders, we're going to be doing our writing assignment. Today it is wishing on a star. It is writing number 43. All right, one of the hardest parts of writing is figuring out what to write. Today we're going to be filling in some blanks to make complete sentences. These are wishes or wants you may have. Make your responses as real as possible, but if you can't think of what to write, make it up. Making things up is how we get fiction. Just make it good. Have fun and enjoy, and then don't forget to submit it to me through Canvas when done. So, on this assignment, it says, can wishing make it so? Nobody knows for sure. Yet everyone daydreams at times. Whether it does any good or not, it's wonderful to imagine ourselves smarter, stronger, and more attractive than we are at the moment. It's fun to picture the wonderful or exciting things we wish we could do. Your journal is a perfect place to record your wishes and daydreams. Just write down these wishes in detail can make them seem more likely to happen. Part one, which is the only part we're going to be doing today of this right worksheet, will exercise your mind and help you remember some of the daydreams you may have had. Just fill in the blanks. If you cannot think of an answer, make it up. Even a made up answer can sometimes help to bring back forgotten daydreams. So on number one, it says, I wish I could be more like, and because. That's, I got to think, who would I wish to be more like? I guess I would want to be more like my, well, I need to write it. More like my mom. Because she is a very giving person. So I gave who it was and I gave my reasons behind it. And look, I even put a period at the end of my sentence. So you're going to continue on filling in the blanks. Like I said, if you can't think of anything, make it up. So sometimes I like to imagine I feel to be there because. So you're making complete sentences. Don't forget to end your sentences with a period, exclamation point, whatever kind of end punctuation you like to use. Have fun, enjoy, and when you are done, once again, don't forget to submit it through Canvas.